something with the output that we already have?
Şöyle. Hazır. Okay. Hello. Can I have your attention, please? Okay. Now we are at the point where we will start burning. Okay. Prescribed burnings are done for several purposes: wildlife, regeneration, removing unwanted vegetation, or restoring the area again, okay? Or for landscape purposes, for recreational purposes, for hunting purposes, okay? Today we will do it for regeneration purposes. But how do we do it? That is the most important thing. Because when you burn, it's an extremely dangerous thing. It has to be very both good and also not destructive to the soil and to the environment. Okay, so usually how we do it, there are three things, most important three things. One is security. Okay, second is security. Third is security.
Hey. Okay.
This is the most important. Nothing is more valuable than lives. Okay, that is the most important thing. And weather conditions are also important. Fuel conditions are also important. Okay, depending on what you are going to do it for. For example, if you would like to only burn the litter, above litter, the surface litter, but not the duct, then you may wait until a rainfall comes and wait for another 2 days, okay, and burn it. So then you don't do any harm to the forest floor. But if your purpose is to remove everything, then dry weather is important. Okay. So the first thing was security. That's why we cleared this land around the area that we will burn. Okay. Second thing is where to start the fire. We start the fire against the wind. Okay. You do this, so the wind is coming towards me. So if the area is hilly or slopey, then you go to the top point. Okay. Then you start burning a line along the strip. Then you create a burned area. Then you start burning slowly downwards. Okay, that's how we will do it. Okay, now I will explain it in English a little bit for the technical personnel here. Şimdi bu tür yerlerde yakma yaparken
stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can take all the time that you need. I know that you worry.